good afternoon. And as Mai just mentioned, uh, yesterday I was with Mai, we were traveling together. And when I reached his home, he was on his iPad watching the auction because he's the owner of one of the teams. In fact, more than owning a team, he is the principal sponsor of the entire tournament. And I told Mai, we have to go because we have to look at something, and if it gets dark, then I won't be able to judge where we are going. So can we watch on my iPhone? And that's how we started, and I watched the entire auction on my iPhone, and it was very well conducted. Firstly, I would like to congratulate the members of IGA for firstly having this idea in organizing this tournament, because it's a wonderful initiative, and also the way Charu and everyone conducted, because it was extremely professionally conducted auction. I'm sure that even in IPL we realize that every year and every auction you just get better and better. You learn from what could be the improvement, and then you work on that and get better. But because of Mahi, I feel so good that I've been able to visit this club. Even though I just stay 5 minutes away from this place, I've heard so much from all the friends who play here, including my very dear friend Venkat Pathiraju, who is a regular to this club. And Mahi, whenever I meet him, he always tells that this is one of the clubs. It's just not beautifully located, just adjacent to the fort here. But this club has got a unique culture, and that culture is because of the members who are not only passionate about the club, but also want to keep the club and maintain the culture and the character of the club. That's why there's not much of commercialization in this club compared to some of the other golf clubs in the country or in the world. So I hope that this initiative of theirs and this tournament will be a grand success. And this tournament wouldn't have been possible without the 16 gentlemen who are sitting here, because for any tournament to be successful, I think the founder members, which is the club members and the management of the club, but along with them, all of you play a very important part, because owning a club shows that you're committed to this tournament and you've got the conviction that this tournament will be a grand success. It's not only about making money, but it's about spreading the word of the sport. And as Charu mentioned, a lot of us, including the great Tendulkar, is crazy about this sport, and one of the reasons why we take it little late is being a professional sports person, we always want to be the best. And sometimes you can get addicted. Some of my friends are addicted to the sport, and to get better, always striving to be the best, striving to achieve excellence, which is very difficult to achieve on a golf course, I've told. You sort of dedicate your entire time and energy in playing the game. And that's what all of you are doing. While I don't know a majority of you here, but I know Dr. Vijayanand, who's an eminent doctor here. I'm sure he's got a busy practice, but still he's here and showing the conviction of owning the team. That means how much passionate he's about the game. And I'm sure all of you are busy people in your respective profession, but you love the sport, you're passionate about the sport. So I hope all of you will continue to support this sport, will continue to support this tournament. And this is just a start. I'm sure that this tournament will be a grand success. A lot of young golfers will take up this sport and be part of this wonderful club, because this is just an unbelievable environment, atmosphere to play something which you love. It's so serene, and definitely it's got a character to this club. So thank you, Mai, for giving me this opportunity to visit this club, and lastly to support this tournament. I know you are a avid sports follower, you were a sports person before, and I'm lucky to have my academy in your school. I know how passionate you are about not only cricket but all the other sports, and you encourage that to the fullest, and your passion is translated into encouraging various sports and various sports persons. So it's great that you're the principal sponsor of this tournament. But all I can say is let the best team win. And I don't want to be partial. I just hope that it's a good tournament. It's a lively tournament, and it's a tournament which will be a trendsetter for other golf clubs in Hyderabad and hopefully in India to follow and start their respective tournaments. So thank you very much for giving this opportunity. And as Charu mentioned, I know a lot of you here in front of me, and I've always thanked all the people from the media fraternity for encouraging me right from my younger days, including the great Subramanya Garu is here. So I hope that you will definitely spread the message of this tournament to the nook and corner of our city. And I'm sure a lot of people who love the sport will get to know about the updates as far as this tournament is concerned. Thank you very much.